para pronunciar bien el español tiene que formar los labios así. Vladimir. 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 Hay que sonreírse. No, reírse, no. Hay que tener sonrisa para pronunciar Vladimir. Pero el apodo, claro, es Vladi. Pero no sé rollar el L, Virginia. Yo no sé cómo lo hago, pero siempre yo digo como like Barça. No, eso es así. Pero I supposedly roll my L's, so that helps me as a non-native teacher, learner, or speaker, whatever. Is your correct answer here? No, but I've been told now officially when people say, "How'd you learn Spanish?" or whatever. And I try to go through this long story that makes sense if you can actually stand to hear it out, right? And by the end of it, you're not fluent in Spanish yet. So you're just wicked tired of listening to me flap my gums and wishing you had not asked how do I speak Spanish native. So, and it's not, there's no simple answer. I didn't take it in school. So, but then I lived in Latin America when I was in school. But, so they said, oh, you're self-taught. Okay, so if you're not Native American, if you're not a native speaker, meaning you grew up speaking it, maybe not is the only language, maternal language, but as a maternal or native language, that's one thing. And if not, and you speak more natively or fluently than your other languages, but it was not your first language, you are termed self-taught. Because there is not one singular source or experience that, it's many things. And most people kind of want to hang on to one or another, and I feel like that's a false sell. I'm like, well, no, because it's not, so I needed a term to kind of, satisfy that question, like, ¿por qué tú hablas así, pero miras así? Why do you sound like that but look like that? And it wasn't like, oh, I studied abroad, because a lot of people study abroad, and are, quote, immersed in a mission trip or university, but they don't come out like this, okay? So, for now, my identity, la respuesta verdadera de cómo tú hablas español, pero miras así. Miras así es, I'm self-taught, okay? There we go. Moving right along.